It's Friday. Let's catch up, Henry. The core disciplines of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, are essential in our mission within Henry County Schools to empower all students with exceptional opportunities and access that lead to success in a global society. Our Board of Education developed its current strategic plan in response to the hopes, dreams, and aspirations of our community, which called for a robust STEM curriculum to prepare students for in-demand, high-paying careers. In some instances, STEM opportunities may be exclusive, expensive, or offered only to a select group of students. However, in Henry County Schools, we take a different approach. Through the vision of our Board of Education and our forward-thinking STEM for all focus, we eliminate those barriers. This is a district-wide commitment to integrate hands-on, problem-based learning for every child. As early as pre-K through 12th grade, the goal is to embed critical thinking and real-world applications into daily instruction. This level of universal access is what genuinely separates HCS from everyone else. While others offer specialized programs for a few, we ensure every single graduate possesses the foundational technological skills required for college and career success. It means consistent rigor and high standards across all of our schools. When you choose Henry County Schools, you are choosing an inclusive pathway to future readiness. You are choosing the district that has made the strategic investment to deliver the essential competitive advantage of STEM for all. Learn more about how we are preparing your child for tomorrow today by visiting the link on screen. We look forward to celebrating our STEM focus on National STEM Day next Friday, November 7th, and at our second annual Henry County VEX IQ Robotics competition at the Academy for Advanced Studies on Saturday. I hope you have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.